Today we are going to check the grammar is LR0 or not. This is the grammar and these are the production, first, second, third and fourth. So here we can say simply there is a left recursion, L tends to L comma S. So this is left recursion, so not LL1 because of left recursion. So we need to eliminate left recursion, but here it is bottom of parser, so not required. So because it is bottom of parser, so elimination is not required. So we will start with the augmented grammar, closer and go to function. So I note closer S dash tends to dot S, augmented grammar. So now we are writing closer. This is closer, this is with augmented grammar. Now we are writing go to function. S dash tends to dot S, S tends to dot L and dot A. So this is our I note. Now next step is for S variable or S variable, S dash tends to S dot. So I1. Now for this opening bracket, what production we have? We have S tends to bracket dot L, and here we have we can see some after that L, so L tends to dot L S and dot S, and S tends to dot L or A. So this is our I2. Now for A terminal, S tends to A dot. So this production is completed here. I3, which production? Second production is completed here. So we can say simply. So first and third is complete. Now only second is left. So we are going further. So here we can say simply from L, two productions. So we cannot go by one is like this, one is like this. Only one production we need to take because this is DFA, and for same string it cannot be possible in DFA going in two different directions. So we write like this: S tends to for L variable, S tends to L dot, and in the same similar time L turns to L dot S. Sorry, comma is there. This one. So L dot comma S. So this is our I4 production. This is S. Now for S, L tends to S dot. This is I5, or we can say our 4 production is completed here. 4 production is completed here. Now for this bracket, so if we use this bracket, so again we will reach here. So we can write like this: for this bracket we will reach here only, and for A we will reach to, and for A we will reach to I3, like this. So up till here it's completed. Now we see further for the closing bracket. So for closing bracket, S tends to this is I4, I5, then I6. This is I6, or we can say our first production is completed here. This tends to this one. The first production is completed here. Now going for comma, this comma. So for comma, L tends to L comma dot S and S tends to dot LA, this one. So this will be I7. This is dot I7. Now from I7, I6 is completed. First and fourth are completed. So first, fourth and second are completed. Only third is left. So we will see rest of the production from here. So if we go for S from here, from I7, if we go for S, so where we will reach? We will reach L tends to L, S dot, and this is I8, and we can simply say here the third production is completed here. Third production is completed here. And now closing bracket, opening bracket. So again opening bracket, so we will reach to, because opening bracket, so we will reach to I2. And for A, so we will reach to I3. This one. So we can simply say our production is completed. And here, so there is no conflict, so we can say there is no conflict because I0, I2, I4 and I7. These are the streets from where we are going for the production. I0, but this is completed here. Then I2, say from I2, I4, this is completed here, this is completed here, and I7, and this is completed here. So these are the state in which we are doing shifting, and all are having one production only, one production, so there is no conflict. So we can simply say it is LR0 parser. So because it is LR0 parser, so SLR1, LA LR1 and CLR1 also. Because this is LR0 parser, so it can be SLR1, LALR1 and CLR1 also. So this is a example that grammar is LR0 or not, and how we can cross check, we know it.